Have you ever wondered how some people manage to maintain a healthy lifestyle amidst their busy schedules? In today's fast-paced world, health and wellness have taken the center stage across all age groups. From the young to the old, from the busy executive to the multitasking parent, everyone is striving to keep their health in check. It's almost like a new wave of health enthusiasm has swept across the globe. This growing interest in health is not without its challenges. Balancing work, family, and personal time while trying to squeeze in a workout can seem like a juggling act. Not to mention the struggle of resisting the allure of fast food and choosing a salad instead. But despite these hurdles, many have taken the plunge and are making health their top priority. It's important to remember that every journey begins with a single step, and the journey towards a healthier lifestyle is no different. Understanding the science behind maintaining a healthy lifestyle can make the journey easier and more enjoyable. The science behind a healthy lifestyle is fascinating and can be a game changer. Let's start with nutrition, the fuel for our bodies. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains, can help maintain weight, boost the immune system, and even improve mood. Then, there's physical activity. Regular exercise doesn't just build muscles, it releases endorphins, the body's natural mood lifters, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and promotes better sleep. So whether it's a quick jog around the block or an intense gym session, every bit counts. Finally, let's not forget mental health. Stress management techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, and yoga can lower blood pressure, improve focus, and provide a sense of calm. Mental health is just as important as physical health in our overall well-being. But remember, everyone's body is different. What works for one might not work for another. That's where the beauty of science comes in. With the right knowledge, one can devise a personalized health plan that fits their lifestyle and preferences. Challenges are an integral part of the journey towards a healthier lifestyle. Let's face it, we all encounter hurdles along the way. Some of the most common ones being a lack of time, wavering motivation, and an absence of support. But don't worry, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth. Lack of time is a frequent complaint. The trick here is to plan ahead. Consider meal prepping. By setting aside a few hours each week to prepare your meals, you can ensure you're fueling your body with wholesome food. Motivation is a slippery thing. It can be high one day and gone the next. To keep it consistent, finding a workout buddy can be a game changer. They can provide that extra push on the days when you'd rather stay in bed. And finally, the absence of support. It can be tough when those around you don't understand your journey. Setting realistic goals can help here. By achieving these smaller milestones, you not only prove to yourself that you can do it, but you show others as well. Overcoming these challenges can make the journey towards a healthier lifestyle more rewarding. Health is wealth, and achieving a healthy lifestyle is a journey worth embarking on. In this journey, understanding the science behind health enthusiasm is your compass, guiding you towards a healthier, more vibrant you. It's not always smooth sailing. Challenges may arise, but remember, overcoming these hurdles is part of the process, a testament to your resilience and determination. Take a moment to reflect on what we've discussed. Health enthusiasm isn't a fad, it's a lifestyle, a commitment to oneself. It's about making conscious decisions every day that contribute to your overall well-being. It's not just about physical health, but mental and emotional well-being too. So what's next? It's time to take action. Start small, make simple changes. Perhaps it's incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your diet. Or maybe it's dedicating 20 minutes a day to some form of physical activity. Whatever it is, remember, it's the small steps that lead to big changes. Remember, every step towards a healthier lifestyle is a step towards a happier, more fulfilling life.